Hello YouTube, it's Desmond here, and today we're at a special spot with my new RC boat, the Hydropro Inception from Hobby King. You can see in the background we have the Cohoes Falls, and we are out here at the Mohawk River, and we're going to be making, well, I can't exactly call it the first run of this boat, but we're going to be making the first filmed run of this boat today. We'll be running it at half of its rated voltage capacity on a 3S pack, or actually two 3S packs in parallel to give us more run time. The batteries that we'll be testing the boat out with are these Hobby Star 5.2 amp 45C batteries. I have a Traxxas plug on them. And I will comment that with this Hydropro Inception, these Traxxas plugs have worked so well so far, up to 3S. Now on 6S, we will be definitely pushing them to their limit, but we have yet to see how that will run. Well, we will not be running it on 6S today. Also, for the first time, we'll be trying an onboard camera on a fast electric RC. Now, this camera isn't anything special. It's just really an old toy grade helicopter from Air Hogs that has a camera on it. It does not record audio, and video quality is okay, but it's not the best. But I'll include that film at the end of this video for you guys to check out. We've got three elastics on there because we do not want this coming off. And in the beginning, until I'm confident that it won't, I'll be driving just a little bit more slowly than I would. And I actually may put some twist ties around that just to link up all the elastics to the little camera helicopter thing to make sure that it doesn't come off. Because as of right now, this is my only onboard camera. So let's get the boat set up and ready to run. So now with the boat, we have our two 3S packs in parallel, and I've also soldered on the Traxxas connector from the stock XT90 that they had. After plugging this in, and before plugging it in, the transmitter needs to be turned on. And that's done to prevent any kind of radio loss problems. After turning it on, you should be able to hear the number of beeps from the ESC that equate to the number of cells your battery has. The ESC uses this to set the low voltage cutoff for the LiPo batteries. One other thing about that that I'll comment on is that after my first few runs of this, I noticed that the batteries were being cut off a little bit too early. So you can go into your ESC settings through your pistol stick or your hand style transmitter and adjust that fairly easily. You'll need to look on Hobby King's website to get the information about your ESC in order to do that. And now let's get ready to put it out in the water.
Think of that, Simon.
Alas, so unfortunately we're going to have a change of plans today, as I have forgotten to empty the onboard memory of the onboard cam. So we'll just be running the boat as it is without any of that and just capturing any film via this. Alright, let's begin.
Simon, it's okay. Look at that thing go. It's a lot faster than this morning.
Yep. That's because it's running on a 3S pack.
I guess he would chase that car. Simon! Stop it! Sit down. Well, it's twice the power you had this morning?
Yep.
That's full blast?
Yeah, that's full throttle.
Simon, come over here. Sit down. Stop yelling. Thank you. That's a pretty good range.
Thanks. Now, because of the weather, I'll actually get to show you guys how this boat performs under some slight waves.
Simon, that's enough. Hey, hey.
Still turning quite well. And actually, one cool thing about the boat is that when you pass with the sun and there's a large wake, you'll actually get to see a rainbow.